Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares YAHUAH. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. No matter how chaotic the world seems and becomes, just remember, YAHUAH has a plan for you. Not to harm you, but to give you a future filled with hope. Even when you don't see it yet, He's working for your good. Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your Elohim. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Fear is a liar. When the darkness creeps in, He says, I am right here with you. You are never alone. His strength is your foundation. Revelations chapter 21, verse 4. He will wipe away every tear from your eyes, and death shall be no more, for the former things have passed away. I know this life brings pain, but the promises of YAHUAH is His eternal peace. No more sorrow, no more death. YAHUAH will personally wipe your tears away. John chapter 14, verse 27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let them be afraid. The world gives anxiety, but YAHUSH gives peace that settles your soul. Accept His gift, let your heart be still. Psalms chapter 91, verse 1 and 2. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty YAHUAH. I will say of YAHUAH, He is my refuge and my fortress. There's safety in His presence. In a world of noise and danger, find your hiding place under His wing. Romans chapter 8, verse 18. The sufferings of this present time are not worth comparing with the glory that is to be revealed to us. Whatever you're going through is temporary. There's a greater glory awaiting. Endure with faith. It's all leading to something eternal. 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7. For YAHUAH has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. You were never meant to be afraid. You were created to walk in power, in love, and in clarity. Stand up. Take back your courage. Isaiah chapter 26, verse 3. You will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on you, because he trusts in you. Peace isn't a feeling, it's a result of trust. Keep your mind on Him. Watch the storm inside you begin to calm. Matthew chapter 11, verse 28 through 30. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. You have carried that weight too long. Lay it down at his feet. Rest isn't luxury, it's your inheritance. Revelation chapter 22, verse 12. Behold, I am coming quickly, and my reward is with me, to give to everyone according to his works. He is not distant, he is near, and he is returning. Live with purpose. The King is coming. Psalms chapter 23, verse 4. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Even in death's shadow, you are not abandoned. He walks with you, protecting and comforting you all the way through. Luke chapter 21, verse 28. When these things begin to take place, stand up and lift up your heads, because your redemption is drawing near. Don't hang your head in fear. Look up. Your redemption is coming closer every day. You're almost home. Romans chapter 15, verse 13. May the Elohim of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him. Hope is not a wish, it's power. Let him fill you with joy and peace today. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 2. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. The rivers shall not overwhelm you. You won't drown. You won't be consumed. The fire may be hot, but his presence is stronger. 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 16 and 17. For YAHUAH himself will descend from heaven with a shout, and so we shall always be with thy Elohim. One day you will hear his voice, and everything you endure will be worth it. Just hold on tight. Zephaniah chapter 3, verse 17. YAHUAH, your Elohim, is in your midst. He will rejoice over you with gladness. He delights in you, not because you're perfect, but because you are his. Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 and 7. Do not be anxious about anything, and the peace of Elohim will guard your heart and mind. Trade your anxiety for his peace. Let him calm your mind and protect your soul. Hebrews chapter 10, verse 23. Let us hold fast the confessions of our hope without wavering, for he who promised is faithful. Do not let go of your hope. He is faithful. He always keeps his word. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 and 6. Trust in YAHUAH with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. You don't have to figure it all out. Just trust him. He will direct your steps. First Corinthians chapter 15, verse 52. In a moment, in a twinkle of an eye, at the last trumpet, we shall be changed. In one moment, everything will shift. Keep your heart ready. Joel chapter 2, verse 28. I will pour out my spirit on all flesh. These are prophetic times. He is awakening his people. He is awakening you. Titus chapter 2, verse 13. Looking for the blessed hope. The blessed hope is real. He's coming. Stay ready. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. They that wait upon YAHUAH shall renew their strength. Awaiting isn't weakness. It's how strength is built. You will soar again. James chapter 5, verse 7 and 8. Be patient, brothers and sisters, for the coming of YAHUAH is near. He's almost here. Don't give up now. Matthew chapter 24, verse 13. But the one who endures to the end will be saved. Endure, no matter what. You are closer than you think. Victory is ahead. Stay strong, family. Peace and blessings. Shalom.